Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair tutorial for you guys. I've gotten so many questions on my hair lately. I've recently got my roots done and everybody's just seemed to notice, and they also liked my hairstyle that I've been using for the last few pictures that I've posted on Instagram, which is this, just basic curls. So your wish is my command. You guys wanted to see how I got these beautiful curls, and the best part of all is that they're so easy and they're beautiful. I used the Irresistible Me 8-in-1 curler. This is called the Sapphire one. It is thebomb.com. That's all I have to say. So if you guys are interested in getting your own, I'll leave a link in the description box and that will take you to Irresistible Me. And I also am wearing the Irresistible Me hair extensions that I did a tutorial on a long time ago, like really long time ago. I will leave that tutorial in the description box using my Irresistible Me hair extensions because I love them and I still have them. It's been years since I got them, and as you can see, they're looking bomb. I do have a 20% discount code and it is GET20 off, and that will give you 20% on this beautiful curler with Irresistible Me. Again, the link and everything you need to know will be in the description box. So without any further ado, you guys, if you're interested in knowing how I achieved these beautiful waves, then please keep on watching. So this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it comes in a box and it is labeled with what's in it, which is basically this pouch, which is absolutely perfect because it keeps each barrel in place, and that way you can just store it once you're done. And to be honest, it is so easy and very compact. Everything is in one place, especially when traveling. This is a lifesaver. It also comes with a heat protecting glove, which I would totally recommend if it is your first time using these type of curling wands. It's not for me, so I won't use it. I usually don't. And another thing that is so good about this is that it has its own holder. That way, whenever the wand is heating up or you're in between curls, whatever, you can set it to rest wherever. So as you can see, I'm wearing a 4-clip hair extension from Irresistible Me, of course. And I just added that just for a little bit of extra length and thickness. And before I get started with anything, I like to use some heat protectant and some hairspray. The heat protectant goes all over the hair before I apply any heat, as well as the hairspray. I find that applying the hairspray before you curl helps the curls stay in much longer. So I'm just gonna spray those two products all over my hair before I start curling, and I'm just gonna allow it enough time to air dry. Meanwhile it's drying, I'm just gonna plug in my wand. To be honest, it only takes like 20 seconds to heat up, and it has an LED screen which tells you exactly what temperature is at, when it's off and on. It tells you everything, so it is amazing that it has this LED smart screen, which I love. So now I'm ready to start curling my hair. I usually start with the front pieces and I grab about an inch or maybe less than an inch hair. I'm not really particular on the thickness of the hair. I just do it as I go, and I curl some pieces facing inwards and then I curl other pieces facing outwards, and I will repeat this exact same step over and over until all the hair is fully curled. I do want to point out that when I'm curling my hair, I don't fully go to the roots unless I really want to go for super curly hair, but today I wanted just like loose waves and fluffy curls, so that's why I'm not going all the way up to the root. But if you want to, obviously you can. And as you can see with this wand, it takes like 5 minutes to do your hair. It is so fast and it holds the curls in no time. I absolutely love it. It makes the curls last longer. They're so fluffy. They literally stay in my hair for days. I barely have to do anything afterwards, so I am loving this wand. I really do. Once I finish curling my hair, I like to spray hairspray one more time, and this is going to hold the curls even more. And then I like to run my fingers through and break every curl. And a quick tip that I do every time I curl my hair is that I grab a curl and then I pull it up, kind of like making it fluffy. That's how I get that fluffy curl, and I will repeat that step with every curl, and that is how I get my curls to be fluffy. And yeah, you guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. So quick. If you're interested in getting anything from Irresistible Me, again, everything will be in the description box, and they also have an app which is only available for iPhone users at the moment. But again, everything will be in the description box if you're interested.
I walked into the room dripping in gold. I walked into the room dripping in gold.
So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you liked my quick and easy go-to curls. Again, everything will be in the description box, and no, this video is not sponsored. I truly, honestly just love this curler. Love, love, love. It's just, it just makes my hair look bomb, and I don't barely have to do anything. I'm gonna stop talking now, so I'll see you guys on my next tutorial very soon. Bye! Mwah.
I walked into the room dripping in gold.